Today I'm at Walmart showing you all my best organization secrets, so let's go. Turntables are one of my best organizing secrets in your kitchen. I use them all over my pantry and my kitchen. If you'd like to organize with clear acrylic, the brand The Home Edit has so many more organizers to choose from. I especially like their turntables. This clear one is great. It's low. It would be perfect for your spices. They also have this one over here with, this is called their high wall turntable. It's got dividers and it would be great for tea bags. I thought the food storage at Dollar Tree was a good deal. This food storage is $5.97. You get 7 containers and 7 lids. Look how adorable this is. We're picking it up. Here's a hanger hack for all of our 2-piece sets. Now, instead of buying something expensive to hold them together, all you need is a pop tab on your favorite drink. Put your pop tab on one of your hangers and then just add on the other piece. This is a great hack to recycle. I just spotted this item that I recently got off of Amazon. It's an under sink organizer. I think it's actually the same brand. If you're wanting to maximize your space underneath your sink, this is a great option. Walmart now has a kitchen gadget section from this brand Tasty. Several of these items, if you were to buy on Amazon, would be double, even triple the price, like this little spoon rest here for $5.97. This is also a product I've shown you guys on Amazon. They have it here for $7.97. And I love all this reusable storage. This can be so expensive. They have little snack bags for $5.97. They have the sandwich style bags. And look, they even have freezer style bags for $4.97. I'm gonna show you a hack with these. Not only are these reusable bags great for storing food items, they're also great for other things to organize around your house. Maybe you're wanting to condense down your board games so they don't take up as much room. Get some of these baggies at Walmart and then you can just put your games inside the bags. It's gonna take up so much less space. This is not organization, but there's several new home decor items that I have to show you guys, especially this Anthropologie dupe mirror. It's $85 and super cute. This wood tray, it's very basic, but would be great for your coffee table. I'm over here in the kitchen cabinet and drawer organizers. There's so much to choose from. Now, one thing that I've been meaning to pick up are these little drawer dividers. I have all these utensils everywhere in a drawer and I want to divide them up a little bit better. So let's get a pack of these. They're priced at $14.86. You get 2 of them. So I put the 2 dividers in my tiny little spatula drawer and they're a little tricky to get in there, but once they're in there, they're gonna be staying in place. And then I just went through, sorted out my utensils. So I have my wooden spoons in one area, the spatulas, and then kind of more of my random stuff on the right side. But I love how this divides everything up and it's gonna make it so much easier moving forward. Let me show you a trash can hack you can do with a $5 trash can and a roll of $5 trash bags. So this is a bag of trash bags from Dollar Tree, but just get any bag of trash bags. Moose thinks that this is a treat because he hears the crinkling of the paper. No, it's not a treat. Now here's the hack. What you're going to do is you're gonna put this entire roll into your trash can. You're not going to take it off, you're not going to undo it, and then you're just going to simply fold it over the edge so it's ready to have items thrown inside. Now, once your trash bag is completely full, pull it up to take it out, and then all you're gonna do is simply pull it off the roll. Then I have my trash to throw away, and then I'll just keep going. I'll just take the trash bag that's on the roll and use this one. So you constantly have trash bags in your trash can. I just picked up this rattan basket. Now, not only are rattan baskets functional, but they're also really pretty and decorative. Let me show you how you could use this in your bathroom. So I'm gonna make this basket decorative and functional. So in the middle, I'm gonna put a faux plant like that. And then on either side, I'm gonna put 2 toilet paper rolls. So it's gonna go in the shelf in my bathroom and be completely functional. I had to show you one of my favorite Walmart organization items. These rattan baskets I got last year. They're super sturdy. I have them here in my linen closet. They're great for sheets, towels, toiletries. I really like them and I feel like they fit perfectly and hold a ton of stuff. I found this multifunctional spoon rest. This is gonna be perfect while I'm cooking. Love this decorative basket. It's $21. It's great for your throw blankets. You could also put in throw pillows on the side of your bed, or I could see stuffed animals. This time of year, we have blankets and throws all over our living room. So I thought, let's get this. I'm gonna put it on the side of the couch and corral all of the throw blankets. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is organization. I just turned this aisle and spotted so much good home decor. For example, this 25 by 20 inch frame print is gorgeous. I also love the different stems they have out this year. This would be a great organizer, this little woven trinket container. So many good things from the rug. And then look at, oh, I had 2 favorites over here, you guys. There are these gold hooks. I'm gonna get these for a DIY to do in the future. I also love these pillows. These pillows are only $10. Such a good deal. Do I need them? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments, yes or no. Should I get these? These pillows are $14.97, but I think they're gonna look so good on my couch and I need a little bit of color. So I think I'm gonna get them with these gold hooks I showed you guys. Okay, I think I have so many good Walmart finds. I have this same tank top organizer that I bought off of Amazon. I think you get a 2-pack for around $12. This is a 2-pack for $7.27. I think it holds about the same tank tops and a similar price. The Walmart hanger hangs up to 8 items on it. It's perfect for your tank tops. It's exactly the same as the one I have off of Amazon, just a different color, but the Walmart one is less expensive. Now this isn't a hack, but I really need to get a new one of these to put in my bathroom. Walmart is really stepping up their game with all of these organization bins, and I feel like several of the items are really functional, like IKEA, and you also have some amazing decorative bins like you would find at Target. Over here, Mainstay has this new line. Doesn't this look like IKEA? It's only $4.56 for this style of bin. It has the handles and the dip on the front. The other bin that I thought was super affordable, you can get a 2-pack of these for $2.88. And these are the style of bins that you would find at Target. Organizing your house can seem very overwhelming. I would say my biggest tip when it comes to organizing is realizing that it's something constant that you have to keep doing to keep your house organized. So instead of feeling like you have to organize your entire house, think about what space is really bothering you the most. For me, last week, it was my nightstand. Inside my nightstand, it was just so much stuff. It was completely cluttered. I didn't even know what was in there, so I just stopped going in my nightstand. So I took 30 minutes, I pulled everything out, got rid of the things that I'm not using, and then I put everything back in with some acrylic dividers, and it looks so nice and it's so much more functional now. So to start organizing, just pick that one space that's bothering you the most, tackle that first, and then maybe next week you'll do a new space. Now I use liquid laundry detergent, but I just spotted these. If you use powdered laundry detergent and you want it to look so cute sitting out in your laundry room, you could get one of these containers. It's around $11. This would also make a great caddy for any of your cleaning supplies. I love these 3-tier cards. They're perfect for your craft room. In my craft room, I use it to store ribbon, but the metal ones are around $30. I just spotted this plastic one that Walmart has for $14, so a great deal. Grab some of these containers for a $1.24 hack. We have been trying to find cases like this at Dollar Tree to store our card games. When the boxes get all worn out like this, it's great to have a little case you can put them in. When I was in the office supply section and saw these at Walmart for a $1.24, I'm like, that's what we need for our card games. So if you see these, they come in a bunch of different sizes. We got the smallest ones. And I have this Uno game that I think I bought several years ago at a thrift store, but the box is falling apart, so I'm gonna put it in here. And it's a great way to store all your card games, and you can even stack them up. I spotted another Amazon dupe at Walmart, these microfiber blinds cleaners. Now you're only gonna get one, but it's $3.98. You get a blinds cleaner and 2 of the little microfiber cleaners. These are great for cleaning your blinds. Before you go shopping for all of your organization bins, you want to make sure you know what you're going to organize and where it's going to go. Measure the space before you leave your house, and when you come to the store, bring your tape measure. You can measure all of your bins and make sure they're going to fit. It's going to save you a trip and you won't have to come back and return them. I'm finding so many IKEA dupes here. These organizers we could only get at IKEA. Now they have them here at Walmart. I'm seeing the 4 cubes, the 6 cubes, and the 9 cubes. Plus they have all these different storage bins. Now I will tell you they are smaller storage bins than the ones at IKEA, but love the selection and love the prices. Love the fabric on these fabric storage bins, especially this cream colored one. There's some new plant options as well as some really pretty pillows, a lot of great texture. When we're getting our houses organized, we also have to get our schedules organized. Walmart has several planner options. I would say one of my favorite planners here are the Happy planners. These are great. I've used these for years to keep everything organized. Let me know down in the comments if you'll be shopping at Walmart for your organization, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.